The subject of basic mechanical engineering, and today we have to study about energy from fossil fuel. Like as a gaseous fuel, we have to study that LPG and CNG. In previous lecture, we have to study about different type of the fossil fuel, like as a solid fuel, liquid fuel and gaseous fuel. There are the types of the fossil fuel. There are the many more energy available in the earth, but we have to study in this chapter of energy in subject of basic mechanical engineering is a fossil fuel. At our exam related to GTU, we have to detail study in fossil fuel, and previous lecture we have to completed our gas solid fuel and liquid fuel. For a solid fuel, different types of the coal we have to study, and for a liquid fuel we have to study petrol, kerosene and diesel oil. In today's lecture we have to study in detail LPG and CNG, that you have to consider in a gaseous fuel and the types of fossil fuel. Let's we have to start. LPG. The full name for LPG is a liquefied petroleum gas. We have to start marker. That can be too easy. Where we have to speaking LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. That's the full name of LPG. That's all points we have to consider for a short note. If you have to asking any GTU question, write an about short note on LPG, then you have to write all the points for LPG, and the asking for CNG, then you have to write all point about the CNG. The first point is LPG is a colorless petroleum gas. There is a no any type of the color inside the LPG. It's a purely transparent gas. Another thing we have to say, there is a no taste and no smell. LPG is a colorless plus smellless gas. There is a no any taste inside the LPG gas. It's a completely pure transparent like as a water type gases. Sometimes we have to leakage of LPG cylinder, then you got some smell coming from that gases. This is not the smell from LPG. We have to add another gases like as a mercaptan. That's the smell coming from the LPG. It's a not smell from LPG gas. It's the smell from mercaptan gases. We have to add into the cylinder whenever the LPG is leakage, so we can find that the LPG is leakage from the smell of mercaptan gases. It is a natural derivative of both natural gas and crude oil. બંનેમાંથી મળે છે આપને from the natural gases and crude oil. The main component of the gas LPG is propane and butane, or combination of these two gases. Mostly LPG contain as a butane. Some of the propane are available in these gases. Also we have to study sometimes it will be available from the combination of propane and butane. Most of the butane content is there. The gas is liquefied by moderate compression of its normal temperature and stored in a tank and cylinder. LPG gas is required to store in a cylinder. It is difficult to store because of the gas volume is very higher, so we can store in any types of the tank or cylinder. We have to completely liquefy them, and LPG gas we have to liquefy in a moderate pressure like as a 20 bar pressure. If you have to giving a 20 bar compression pressure to LPG, it will be convert into the liquid form, and liquid form easy to store for any storage tank or any type of the cylinder. and we can add more and more gases in the tank and cylinder. So it's the compulsory to convert its gas form to liquid form. If you have to show on our residential LPG cylinder, there is a liquid form, and the weight for this cylinder is 14.2. The liquefaction is necessary to provide reduction in volume to produce acceptable energy and density. If you have not liquefied the gases, that's when be what happened. The gas coming from this cylinder, there is a no pressure. If you have to consider this pressure is like as a atmospheric pressure, that type of the gases are difficult to ignite and spread in the air, and it is a highly flammable gases, so it's necessary to require to liquidification of this type of the gases for complete combustion with the presence of oxygen. The calorific value of LPG is about 45,360 kilojoule per kg as near compared to petrol. The calorific value for LPG is 45,360 kilojoule per kg. Most probably LPG used in a residential area. The use of LPG is widespread, and LPG fuel used for cooking. Most of the residential area can use the LPG gases for the cooking purpose. Also, LPG is a fuel which can run engine of car, bus and lorries or small types of the vehicles. Many more vehicles are available is converted from petrol to LPG. That engine can run by LPG gases, no requirement of the petrol, because of here the calorific value for petrol and calorific value for LPG are nearly same. So the ignition temperature from LPG and petrol at point is a same. Nearly LPG are ignited nearby the 30 to 35 centigrade, and 40 to 45 centigrade petrol are ignited in the normal pressure at the atmospheric condition. So the ignition temperature and calorific value are nearly same for LPG and petrol, so we can use LPG instead of petrol in light vehicles. LPG is a base suitable for light vehicles such as cars, small vans normally run on petrol. જેટલા પણ વ્હીકલ અવેલેબલ છે જે પેટ્રોલ પર ચાલે છે એ બધા જ વ્હીકલને એલપીજીમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી શકાય છે. કઈ રીતે કન્વર્ટ કરી શકાય છે? એલપીજી કેન બી યુઝ ઇન એ વ્હીકલ આફ્ટર કન્વર્ઝેશન ઓફ વ્હીકલ ફોર એલપીજી or required some modification in engine, because of the engine are designed for petrol running, and we have to change fuel from petrol to LPG, so that the required some modification are required in an engine for use of LPG as a fuels. It seems that the conversion is practically applicable to petrol vehicle only. It's not used in a diesel engine because of there is a high compression ratio in a diesel engine, so we have to not apply the LPG gases in a diesel engine. Only and only we can use LPG in a petrol engine. There is a two reason I have to given. First is a ignition temperature for petrol and LPG is near. Second thing is a calorific value for LPG and CNG are nearly by same, so we can use. Another thing, for a diesel engine there is a no match of calorific value ignition temperature in the diesel engine, because of there is a required a higher compression in a diesel engine. If you have to use LPG in a diesel engine, there is a give pre-ignition, means it's not complete the compression stroke and ignite the LPG gas. There is a cycle are not completed by the LPG, So LPG gas are not used in a diesel engine, only and only used by petrol vehicles only. Normally modification engine can be run on either LPG or petrol. The flick of switch even while motoring. For any types of the petrol engine vehicle, we can easily convert from petrol to LPG and LPG to petrol by flick of switch. There is a one switch are available. If you have to start that switch, that's the cut the petrol and start fueling LPG inside the engine. Then we have to stop the switch. It will be stop the LPG and start fueling inside the engine as a petrol. Only one switch can operate the petrol or LPG. Even while motoring means that your vehicle are running to start on where there is no requirement to stop your vehicle. Your vehicle is continue on highway, you can change our fuel from LPG to petrol and petrol to LPG. There is no requirement to stop engine and stop the car. Continue rotation of the engine, you can change over the fuel. The main difference between LPG and petrol or diesel for car van is the cost of fuel. Always we have to prefer the cost of fuel. Cost of fuel is day by day increasing, but here we have to calculate some rough data. The cost of LPG is 50% less as compared to petrol. The cost we have to consider for petrol and cost of consider for LPG. There is a difference between them is 50% less we have to pay for LPG as compared to petrol, because of the government has reduced the duty on LPG. Now in present days they have to remove this duty, but LPG gas are so costly, but not compared to petrol. Petrol is in a higher level, but the present day we have to consider this is a 60% less compared to petrol. Pollution produced by LPG vehicle is 15% lower than the produced by the petrol vehicle. If you have to using petrol in our vehicle, there is a produce a maximum pollution in our environment. But if you have to using change fuel from petrol to LPG, it's the reduced 50% lower pollution, because of the LPG only and only one contain butane C4H10, so it's creating a lower pollution. There is an hydrogen and carbon chain which work with the oxygen and made is the complete CO2 plus H2O, so that is create a lower pollution as compared to petrol vehicle. In the examination we have to write that's all topics for the short note of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. The main content is we have to write calorific value. The liquidification pressure is 20 bar, colorless, tasteless and smellless. The main content is a butane. Required to run in a petrol engines require some modification. 50% less cost and 15% less pollution produced by as compared to petrol engine. This is the all topic from the LPG. Next we have to start CNG. The full name for CNG is compressed natural gas. For an LPG there is a liquefied petroleum gas. We have to remember both gases fuel for full name. We have to start CNG, compressed natural gas. CNG is made by compressing methane, which is extracted from natural gas and it's stored at a higher pressure, about 200 bar. The CNG gas, the main content is a methane, CH4. The main content for an CNG perfect gases is a CH4 methane, and it's available from the earth or natural gases or biogases. That's called as a CNG, compressed natural gas. but it's difficult to liquidification because it's require a maximum temperature, and it's not possible we have to manufacture that type of the cylinder and storage tank. So we can pressurize the gas at the 200 bar maximum capacity and store maximum inside the cylinder. There is a enough pressure limit, higher pressure limit. For an LPG we have to consider there is a only required 20 bar for liquidification, and we have to giving a 200 bar pressure for CNG, but it's not liquidified. It's a form of gas we have to store in a cylinder, but 200 bar you have to maximum volume we can store inside the tank or cylinder. The main component of the CNG is methane, CH4. In addition, methane it also contains small percentage of ethane, propane, and butane and penthane. Some of the ethane, propane, butane content are also available in there, but this another gases is a very low percentage. 98 percentage of the gases is a methane. The calorific value of CNG is 40,700 to 41,200 kilojoule per meter cube. We are not giving here unit for kilojoule per kg because of we have to not liquefy that is a form of gas. So we have to give unit for then CNG is a kilojoule per meter cube. Nearly value for 40,000 to 41,000 kilojoule per meter cube. Due to higher octane number, CNG is an excellent fuel for petrol engine. There is a maximum number of the carbon and hydrogen chain. So it's a CNG used in a petrol engine. CNG is burned at the higher temperature, resulting into reduce the engine knock. Some modification are required to use the LPG in a petrol engine. Because of that, the LPG gas is a low pressurized gas and CNG is a higher pressurized gas. First we have to leak our CNG gases into 200 bar to normal pressure and enter into the any type of the petrol engine. But at this position we have to require some modification in petrol engine, otherwise we cannot use CNG in a petrol engine. It's a higher octane number, so it's easy to ignite inside the cylinder, and that's the best fuel for an petrol engine as compared to our LPG. Older cars are not difficult to convert from petrol to CNG because of that the lower technology are not accept the CNG gases is only and only work on petrol, but our latest technology and latest engine can run in a CNG gas instead of petrol. However, the engine system modification become are more complicated because of the higher pressure. As of the it needs special car during refueling operation against the leakage. Sometimes the higher pressure are creating more and more physical problem. It's a risky for a car because of the 200 bar is a very higher pressure. Sometimes the refueling operation, sometimes the tank leakage problems are definitely created in the future, so we have to be careful for that type of the gases used in any vehicle. Pollution produced by the CNG vehicle is less than the petrol engine nearby as compared to LPG. 15% create less pollution as compared to petrol engine. Use of CNG results into the longer service life and lower maintenance costs in any types of the petrol vehicle because of the CNG is a pure gas. There is no any impurities inside the gases. So there is a longer service life, no need to require the service after 6 months or after 1 year, as per the cycle of the norms and condition for the manufacture. And lower maintenance cost, because of the service life is given in a higher range. So that is a longer service life and lower maintenance cost. Also we have to add here the one topic for related to cost. There is a 50 percentage less cost as compared to petrol. We have to, given that this topic in LPG, we have to continue this topic inside the CNG. 50 percentage less cost as compared to petrol. So it's easy to use in any type of the petrol vehicle. Okay. This is the short note for CNG, compressed natural gas. The main topic for this the short note, it is a 200 bar liquidification pressure. The main content is a CNG, the calorific value. Another content is ethane, propane and butane, high octane number, so it can easily to use in a petrol engine, burns at a higher temperature and reduce the NOx sound from the any types of the petrol engine. The older car are not feasible to use the CNG gases. The engine modification are required and also complicated because or due to the higher temperature, higher pressure limit up to 200 bar. Exhaust is needs specially car during the refueling operation against the leakage. Some steps we have to safety maintenance we have to clear for that. Pollution produced by the CNG vehicle is 50% less as compared to petrol. The cost is a 50% less as compared to petrol. There is a longer service life and lower maintenance cost for a use of CNG in the petrol vehicle. Thank you.